Regardless of how it goes, the one thing you can always rely on.
I do my thing.
And my thing is not making videos, so I make videos to help people. And this is to give you an idea. I think what I'll do is I'll do a little series on head button reconditioning. So I've kind of learned this ancient secret with respect to nitro engines, removing the carbon, the pitting, things like that. So, yeah. For you guys really down with this shit, stick around because I'm going to show you the importance of a head button and what clearance, timing, all of that shit really accomplishes. But here's the deal. I created what I thought was going to be a very brief unboxing. However, I'm already 20 plus minutes into it, so I'm going to break this into separate parts.
Welcome to part 1.
Alright people, so in this video, what I'm going to do is a quick unboxing of the more shit for the Hyper 7 here, in addition to show you some differential tip. You guys are not on 1 second.
Knock knock.
Who is it?
Real.
Real? Real who?
You know how we do it. We gotta get rid of the flightline bashers. Shoot them away. See ya.
Alrighty guys, sorry about that. But now we know who's in the house, so we have no choice but to keep it.
Stupid crackhead. Stupid crackhead. Stupid crackhead.
Which of course, we will endeavor, as always, to keep it as such. As noted in this video, will be a whack, and I mean a extremely whack unboxing, along with some pretty cool differential tips. Now, my disclaimer for my unboxings is I don't do the sexy unboxings, as my intent these days is solely the aforementioned, how we keep it. So that means we simply go for needs to keep our shit on top of its game. First, we can always use tires. All the parts combined together will not affect your car the way tires will. And seeing as I'm a fan of Badlands, I had to jump the opportunity to get a few extra sets. I actually have monster truck set, truggy, and 3 sets for buggy. Next, I decided to get another center diff. So I have the standard, Torsen, and Spider. And this is actually what spawned me to do some center diff talk in the second part of this video here. But for now, it's just part of the unboxing, a center diff.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Real trap shit. Real trap shit. Real trap shit. Real trap shit.
Now this next item is something that I only got to, again, inspire people and show people the true capabilities of these engines. Coupled with the fact that I damn near got it for free, I got one of those easy starts or simple starts, whatever they call it, for the engine, but it's a new pull start. And for all intents and purposes in looking at this, the only difference is really just, I guess, the handle itself, right? Seems it makes it easier on your hands. You know, you don't get as many blisters and things like that. However, as a wise man once said,
This engine's better because it's a bump box or a pull start, things like that. But I'm here to tell you that pull starts work well as long as you take care of it and you know exactly what you're doing. I have not started this engine, but I can start this as fast as I can in a bump box. I haven't started this in probably a week and a half, 2 weeks. This is Mount Laughlin Hyper 7, and we'll see. When everything is set up correctly on a pull start, it should fire up almost immediately. Now I just primed this, and I'm going to expect this engine to start in 1 or 2 pulls, definitely no more than 3.
and I promise you, as always, I'll keep it old school.
Have you ever pulled and pulled on your pull start until your arm hurts?
You're wasting your time.
That's how we roll right here. There you go.
Now, if you haven't yet, I encourage you to go take a look at these videos because, well, one thing you definitely need to understand with a bump box, I can start any engine under any condition at any time. It's something I promise you.
I've got skills.
I guarantee you it's going to fire right up. It's going to. So, my pert in all of this is that it's not needed. I'm sorry. Like, if the handle, if you're having to work it that much to where you're having problems, then it's not needed. Now, here's my existing pull start. I'm going to clean it out and stuff. And I've got 2 because I've got 2 of these engines. But my pert being, I'm just curious. I almost got it for free, so let's see what it do. Now, to be fair and transparent, I've not even looked at it yet or mounted it or anything like that. So maybe it's more than what I'm thinking, but for now, if it's just to make it easier to hold, then, well, I don't know. Just stay tuned. Regardless of how it goes, the one thing you can always rely on. Part 2 coming real soon. Now some backwards masking for my latest album.
All